You are good, and you are mighty, and you are merciful. And you keep taking care of me when I don't deserve it. Praise you, Jesus. You are Lord. Give me another one, Lord. Guide me to who you want me to help. Raise up more that will call upon your name. Raise up those that love you and seek you and trust you. Raise them up, Lord, raise them up. Lord, we need a generation of believers who are not ashamed of the gospel. We need an army of believers, Lord, that hate to be lukewarm and will stand on your word above all else. Raise them up, Lord, raise them up. I pray for unity among those that love you. I pray that you open their eyes so that they can see your truth, Lord. I pray for your hand of protection and guidance. Raise up a generation, Lord, that will take light into this world, that will not compromise when under pressure, that will not cower, Lord, when others fall away. Raise them up, Lord, that they will proclaim that there is salvation in the name of Jesus Christ. Raise up warriors, Lord, who will fight on their knees, who will worship you with their whole hearts, Lord. Lord, call us to battle, that we may proclaim King of Kings and Lord of Lords. I pray these things with all my heart. Raise them up, Lord, raise them up.
Hey Chad, bit of a late start here on the day, but I am here, man. And ready for the session. Okay, let's see what's clapping here. Okay, let's start off with gold. Let's just clean up a bit here. Yesterday was quite a slow day. I've had a very rough day. But I'm glad to be here with you guys. Always a vibe to be here. To be honest with you guys, I've had a hectic day, and there was a point where I told myself, you know what, fuck the stream, I'm not gonna go live. But I also told myself, no, Jev, you can't have that mentality. There's people on the stream who want to see you go live, so, I'm here for you guys. But other than that, like I said, just want to clean this up a bit here. I'm really hoping to get a nice trade here on the session. I also want to announce that I'll most likely be cutting my partnership with Blueberry as well. I don't like politics and shit like that, I don't want politics and hidden rules and very loud. What's very loud? Well, that's very loud. Just let me know there, what's too loud? The mic. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna do a test here. I'll start off like this. Let me know if that's too loud. Okay, I'll be honest with you guys. Here's what happened. A few weeks ago, my mic settings was fine, and I unplugged the focus, right? And then when I replugged it in, and then my mic was just soft, so it was on the max settings, But I was basically in the room now, and I actually let the mic fall, and I was a bit scared. Okay, just let me know if I'm actually making it a bit louder than that as well. I was really scared because I thought I broke the mic, but luckily I didn't break it. So I think that fall might have actually fixed it. Yo, this is quite the structure here. Okay, perfect. My bad, man, my bad. Okay, so I'll still have an eye on this level all the way up there at 3350. But another zone I want to keep an eye on would be more or less this little zone right over here. Want to see that zone for potential sells. That also correlates more or less with 3335. And if we look at the internal structure over here in the 1 hour, I'll be honest with you, I don't really like what's happening all the way over here. I would have been nice to see a clean break of structure to potentially lean towards some longs. Asia high has been taken, Asia low is untested. Let's just go to the internal break of structure over there. Price has definitely reacted off that level. Let's see what the indicator is showing us. Alrighty, so that's my indication right there. So I would be leaning towards some sells here, and also the reason for that sells would most likely be, just look at that zone, beautiful tap, flip to the internal, change of character, price came back into the zone over here, beautiful tap in, so that was initially the entry. So what I would want to wait for is, it will be ideal if this candle closes like slightly below this level over here, and then with that break of structure basically leave us with a new supply zone right over here with the Asia highs slightly above 3325, and then I would lean towards a short. Let's see. Okay, let's move on to our other pairs as well. I'm very overwhelmed today, guys. Very, very overwhelmed. So USDT did yesterday. USDT never coming back into that zone. Almost tapping it over there for further sells, but no tapping over as yet. But I will be leaning towards a bearish USDT. However, until we get to that zone, I will be bullish. So I'm most likely be looking for some longs, as long as we haven't mitigated that level up there. The commission fees on Blueberry is killing me. My profit so far is 236 and the commission is 106, leaving my balance on 192. Damn. Okay, Timothy, I want to actually ask you something with that said. Ne? How many trades have you taken? Do you like trade a lot? The reason I'm asking is because I know obviously if you trade a lot of trades, then there's obviously commissions that pile up. But I've had a similar problem. And then when, like, I don't, like, you know, guys, I don't want to come to my stream and like I'm badmouth people anymore. I've learned my lesson with doing things like that, you know. So it's like, you know, I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, look at this, ne? Okay, I don't even want to talk about it, to be honest. I don't even want to talk about it. I'm just, yeah. Indicator giving a sell there on US 30, but I would rather take it up there. Okay, we have that closure there on gold, so most likely it has confirmed. Yo. My thing is just the closures, man, like how they look, it's a bit but the 4 hour broke above there. Yo guys, this is so difficult to say a price to go to. I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place for longs and shorts. See, the thing is, we had a 4 hour break of structure over here, right? So 4 hour broke above here, which means this level here could act as demand. This here could act as demand. You know? Yeah, then other than that, there's no other zone. So I'm a bit skeptical. I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place, yeah. I don't know what to do with it. Ooh. Hey, Jaden. Welcome, welcome. Oh, we called it with withdrawal course. Wait, how do you know? Wait. How do you know I made a withdrawal? Oh. Can you just see it in my face? Can you just see it in my face? I'm not doing that. Oh my word, Jillian. USDT, yeah, I didn't trust that. I don't trust that sells. That zone up there is more likely for me. Above that Asia highs. You Nasdaq actually made some moves there, eh? Nasdaq actually made some nice moves there. Oh, keer nou net. Keer nou net. Keer nou net. This would be the perfect confluence and to go long on gold. Let's see. My only thing is there's no structure on it yet. Okay, Asia high has been tested, Asia low is untested. My only thing is we must still follow structure though. Internally, let's see. Okay. Oh, I think came back for seconds. Ooh. Alrighty. I'll be honest with you, I'll wait for retracement. I will wait for retracement at the Asia highs and I will happily get in there. I will happily look to get in. Hey, look at Sahil, huh? The man's TP is correlating with my zones here, huh? Okay. Let's quickly talk about yesterday as well. Euro USD. Yesterday we took EU shorts. Yesterday we took Euro USD shorts right over here. And as you can see, we ran to profit break even. Jarian, I'm not sure if you took TP, but if you if you also hit a break even, bro, then bro, we need to reevaluate our choices, you know. So let's see if we can potentially get on it today. Okay, we definitely had a reaction of that zone. Okay, I see you, EU. I see you, Mr. EU. I see you. Sneaky. Okay, so for gold, I like what I see over there. If we can have some sort of break above this level, for something like this, that retracement. Ooh, and I'll take it in that retracement. No, Nasdaq, don't leave us, man, don't leave us. EU, same thing. I'll be waiting for some. So it looks like we have a flip zone, yeah. We'll see how we react at this point for potential longs to come through. GU. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Okay, definitely gonna break above that level. GU also, we didn't take that trade on GU, but as you can see, they would have been a beauty. Would it have survived? That trade would have survived. Damn, that trade would have survived if I had a pending order on it. Okay, I want to see a strong closure above that level, like maybe on the 5 minute. 5 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 3. Oh, we had a break there in the 1 minute though. Let's see. It happens to me too. I don't know what the market wants to do. We gotta adapt, bro. We gotta adapt at all times. Man. Oh. Okay. GU, naughty. Whoa. Wait for me. Okay. Okay, buy limit has been set. Okay, buy limit has been set. What's up, Jevon and Chad? Hey, Lucretia, my brother, how you doing, man? Hopefully we get these GU longs. Ooh. Let's see if you can get tapped in. Gold. Gold is still dropping. Yeah, we have quite a few roadblocks hier, Wes. Awesome stuff, man. Awesome stuff. Let's also just check on the well trade side of things, how things are going. Let me just open this up. Okay, so now we wait and see if we will get tapped into this GU position over here. Guys. Okay, let me not. Yo, I misspelled with disclaimer there. Yo, we missed out big time there. Okay, so USDT has bounced in that zone. US30 has bounced in that zone. Okay, tapped in. Dylan, working on your entries. Do you have a specific set of entry models that you use, or do you work based on confirmation candles? Okay, gold's still breaking through that level over there. Price is weighing. Price is just running, mitigating the zones as it goes. Sure, that's quite an impressive drop there in gold. Quite an impressive drop. Okay, let's see if this trade survives, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so let me just show you guys here on the well trade side of things. So gain 400. We are still waiting for price to hit that level. Let me get my notes on here, because we're looking at a lot of synthetics. Still waiting on those gain shorts, paying 400. So price still hasn't gotten to this level over here. So still waiting on price to do its thing here. Gain 400. Okay, so we actually didn't tap this level up here. Okay. Oh, we're trading at a very interesting point here. Very interesting point. If you can just have price push up a bit more, then once we can get in here, I will start looking for some sort of short that we have there. We could even have price potentially spike slightly above it for an institutional point. Okay, so gain 400. Now, huh? Confusing myself here. Let's check what's happening here. Okay, so pain has been moving to the upside, can't do anything there. So gain 600 is the one we're looking at. You enter at the previous session high or low, or daily high and low. Wait, but okay, but do you wait for confirmation, or do you wait for price to close like in the zone? Is there a certain set of like rules you follow and so forth? Or paying 800? I don't want to trade while it's so high. Okay, so gain, accumulate, manipulate. I would expect to push up. Still waiting on pain to push down. Gain. I won't lie, this is an interesting point here. But it's, to get in there is it's a bit risky. To get in here is very risky. I would rather wait on price to... Yeah, no, guys, to enter here is very risky because just from there till there, that's about 60, 70 pips. That's about 60 pips. You know, so I would rather wait for market to do something like this here on gain 999. I'll wait for price to break below this level over here. And wait for something like this to happen. So break below. And then we can really see we already have that inverse fair value gap sitting right over here. So then on that pullback, on that pullback, then I will look to get in. Then at least I can mitigate my risk in a sense of like, that is 32 pips, so I will at least be like 40 pips for stop. Yeah, 50 pips. That's already, no, that's not 50 pips. That is, wait, why can't I see how many pips this is? Ah, that's 80 pips. I'm counting wrong, yeah, I'm counting wrong. So 49 pips. That means on the smallest lot size possible, I'll have to risk $4 and, well, I'll say about $5. So this is why gotta be very, very strategic with how you enter these pairs. Okay, so I guess that is our main pairs that I'll be looking at. And then of course I'll wait for pain 1.2 to hit this level down here. Oh, that's gain. I can't do that on gain. Okay, so that's basically it. So we're waiting on gain 600 to hit that level all the way up there. I have enough for 1 and jump back in. Make sure that you come to well trade, Paraza. Make sure that you come to well trade. Let me quickly. There's our GBP trade. Gold is back into that zone, so let's see if it's gonna push lower or whether this level's gonna hold. I think that level 3315 could be an interesting point here for gold. Guys, I just wanna run to the toilet quickly. Like quick. To do something quickly. I entered that full on USD. Now price is. Wait, what you doing on USD? Are you buying or selling? Well, the way I see it, 100 and no, 97 pips. 97 pips, Dylan. I'll open it on well trade. Do you only trade synthetics well trades? Yeah, only synthetics. You need to get your blue screen blockers for your eyes. That's funny. Okay, guys. Seems like we might have something interesting happening here on the session. Guys, I need to go pee quickly, but I have so much to do here right now. Come on. Come on. Okay, man is buying USD. Just see. Wait, so you bought down? Yeah. Okay. I see. Nice, nice, nice. What's EU doing? EU is still fighting that little level there. Nasdaq just exploded. You're like, I would still lean towards shorts on it. Okay, guys, if this 500 candle closes above you on gold, I'll start looking for longs on it. Okay, that's a closure right there for me on gold. So right over there, I will look for a long on the Asia low, 3315, fair value gap. Okay, our pinning order set there. I'm just gonna check on the wild trade side of things quickly. Anything moved into our zones yet? Gain 400? No. Pain 400? No. Gain 600? No. Gain 999? Shit. I won't lie, that would have been ideal. Okay, I'll do this. I will take that sell. I'll take that sell. Okay, I basically executed right there, so my stop is. So my stop loss is right over there. And then what I will do is can you go deeper? Now let me not be greedy. Let me not be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, Jevon. Oh damn! I didn't. Okay, I didn't show you guys. Guys, I executed right there on gain 999. I executed right there on gain 99. So, just a heads up for you there. I'm gonna flip the screen back soon. I close it now, trading the orb and use it every day. Okay, you've mentioned the orb to me before. I'll be honest, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. The orb. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to. Yes, and then onto the toilet. Yo. Basically, aliens land the orb, and you get on. So yeah, plane pulling back. Yo, GU is in some throwdown there. Okay, so EU is breaking below that level. So GU might be next. GU might not hold it. GU might not hold. We'll see. Oh. Sorry, Mian. I see you said something there. Use USD CAD sells on the supply zone. Okay, can be wrong. I'll check use US CAD now. Pushing of the opening range, break outside, confirms direction. USD CAD. Yo. My only thing is, man. My only thing, man. Like, don't get me wrong, price could definitely drop. I just don't like what happened down here, and the fact that all of this hasn't been taken out yet. To the top side, so that's my only fear on USD CAD. I think GU is stopped out, guys. It's a loss for me there. A loss for me there. Okay, so only one more for me, which is gold. Only one more for me, which is gold. One more setup, and obviously I'm in that well trade cells. I'm still in those well trade cells. And this is also, guys, why it's very important why you guys must trade with different brokers, different accounts and things like this. This is a good way to diversify. So this will make up for that little hit there on GU. Okay, so that's a last one for me on decision. Alrighty, it's either I'm gonna get clapped here or I'm gonna hit a TP. So let's see. But I'm gonna have to run again soon, guys. It's 4:30 already. You guys know by now. It's a bit rough. It's a bit rough, my life. I don't even want to look at gold right now, to be honest. GU Inter could have been at Asia high this morning, but missed it for the sales. GU. Yeah, and like I said yesterday, we called that level, and unfortunately, what a day I've had. This is my first time on the charts today, guys, with you guys. My first time on the charts today. It's just gonna happen, yeah. You guys want to hear a funny joke? So, you guys can obviously see in the chat. If you put exclamation point and a certain word, then Nightbot will automatically send the message, right? Because Nightbot's a mod. So, I saw this post last night, of like this guy. So he's streaming, and he goes, "Okay, chat. So how I do this is," and then someone's like, "How many people's watching?" And he's like, "Oh no, it's only me." And they start laughing because it's like, hey, this guy went all out like, hey, chat. So for those of you guys who's asking, this is how I do it. Then one of the comments said, man is talking to Nightbot. And it made me think about our chat. Nightbot's always there for me. You will always send the message there in the chat. Hey yo guys, I'm gonna have to love and leave you. I'm gonna have to run now. So I still have a long day ahead of me. Yeah. That's also why I started later with the stream today, but I told myself like I have to be here for you guys, even if it's just for an hour. So yeah, for that reason, you know, I wanna go, I have to go. But it was, guys, as always, I love being here with you guys. But today's one of those days where, like, you know, shit's hitting the fan. I'm busy. I must message so many people. It's calls, it's emails, it's so many things happening at once, you know. But I want to let you guys know that I love you guys, each and every one of you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Much love.